Good afternoon, people. I'm here again to tell you part 6 of Alien Numbers, and today I have some important new information. First, a quick review. Many of you know I was abducted by aliens out in the desert, here in the Mojave Desert, and after I was abducted, they taught me their new number system. And they sent me back to Earth to teach the people of Earth this new system, which is what I'm trying to do. I went back another time, I was abducted again, and this time they boosted my IQ up. Now, some of you didn't like the hat I had last time, so anyway, I have invented a new hat. This one actually is designed to boost your IQ because as you can see, it's open at the top, which allows the rays from the aliens, the loci, to come down into your brain, and it'll help to boost your IQ. So if some of you want to make this at home, I encourage you to do that and just walk around the streets with it on, and I think you'll notice a big boost in your IQ within a day or two. Don't worry about what other people think. Just do it. I think you'll find it very interesting. Okay, also I asked the aliens why didn't they abduct somebody more important than me, such as President Bush, and they said they didn't think anybody would listen to President Bush. So that's why. There's two main races of aliens that I know of. One is the loci, right here is the way you would spell it in English, and here's the Grusnuk. Now, the ones I've been in contact with is the loci, and I asked them when I first met them if we could bring about world peace, and they said, well, it may be a good thing that you're fighting all these wars, because if these aliens ever come to Earth, we're going to need all the practice we can in order to fight them off, as long as we don't, wipe each other out during these wars. When I was abducted the second time by the aliens, I asked them about their religion. I said, is there a God? And it turns out they have a very sophisticated theology, which I can tell you about, but I was inspired by what they told me, and based on some of their temples. They have temples on their home planet. I designed a similar temple which could be built here on Earth. And if you look at my website, you'll see some information about that. My website's earth360.com. That's earth360.com. You can go there and see my design for the temple, the alien temple. I call it Spacehenge because it's somewhat similar to Stonehenge. So you can look at that, and it gives you some hint of their theology.